In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of the React component lifecycle. React components have a lifecycle consisting of various phases, each with its set of lifecycle methods. These methods enable us to control our component's behavior and perform specific actions at different stages of its existence. Let's start with an overview of the React component lifecycle. It comprises three primary stages: mounting, updating, and unmounting. Stage 1, mounting. This is when a component is created and added to the DOM. It has three essential lifecycle methods associated with this stage. Number 1, constructor. The constructor method is called when a component is first created. It's mainly used for component initialization, such as setting up initial state and binding event handlers. Number 2, render. The render method is responsible for rendering the component's user interface. It's a required method in every React component and should return JSX that represents the component's appearance. Number 3, component did mount. The component did mount method is called after the component is added to the DOM. It's often used for performing initial data fetching or setting up event listeners. For the stage 2, which is updating stage, it occurs when a component re-renders due to changes in its props or state. It has few essential lifecycle methods associated with it. Number 1, should component update. The should component update method allows you to optimize rendering by deciding whether or not the component should update. It's an excellent place to implement performance improvements. Number 2 is re-render. The render method is called during the updating stage to re-render the component's UI with updated props or state. Number 3, component did update. The component did update method is executed after the component re-renders. It's often used for tasks like updating the DOM or fetching new data. Last stage is called as unmounting. This is the stage when a component is removed from the DOM. Here component will unmount is the method is called. It is executed just before the component is removed. It's used for cleaning up resources like event listeners to prevent memory leaks. In conclusion, understanding the React component lifecycle and its associated methods is essential for building robust and efficient applications. By leveraging these methods at the right stages of a component's lifecycle, you can control behavior, optimize rendering, and ensure proper cleanup when a component is unmounted. Thank you for watching. For more, follow Interns.School.